स्वकर्मण्येवाधिकारस्ते मा फलेषु कदाचन मा कर्म फल हेतुर्भुर्माते संगोस्त्व कर्मणि.
Hi friends, good morning. Myself is Nirmal Ghosh here today with my 46th motivational video, and the topic is very much important, that is detachment is necessary for your success. Friends, you all know that everybody says that attachment is necessary for your success, but I am telling here the reverse word. Detachment is necessary for success. Friends, before I am coming to the point, I will request you to please subscribe my YouTube channel, that is Nirmal's Dream World, the best and powerful motivational videos, and also the true motivational videos. All the videos are not true. Here the data are given is true in all sense. So please subscribe this true, powerful and top motivational video are posted in this channel, so please subscribe. Friends, I am coming to the main point. You all know that attachment is necessary for success. Everybody says it, isn't it? Yes. To do a work, to get success in a work, you should have to attach with that work, isn't it? Yes, friend. You know it. You have to give focus on it, you have to dream about it, you have to make planning about it. But friend, there comes a point when you get so much attached with this job which you are going to achieve, then your mental pain will start. Because you get so attached that you always think about that work, and you cannot you cannot sleep at night also, and a sleepless night will hamper your next day's work. So friend, your attachment is good, very good. You are attached in a work, you are thinking about it constantly, but you have to learn about how to detach from that work. You have to learn that as and when required you will be attached with that work, and when not necessary you should make yourself detached from this work. It is just like you all know that in Mahabharata, that son of Arjuna, Abhimanyu would know how to enter into the Buho or region of Kaurav, but he did not know how to come out from there. So he entered into that region of the Kaurav, which they all made with their great soldiers. But as Abhimanyu did not know how to come back from that region, he died. This will happen. Friend, I do not want to say that this should happen, but this may happen with you, friend. You get attached, but you get so attached that you are forget your world. You forget your circumstances, you forget your family members, you forget your social responsibility, and you could not leave it out from your mind, and you could not even sleep. You're always thinking about that, and you cannot think even anything in your life. That is called attachment, and you are not able to detach yourself. So this is very much painful, and if this happens, then your mental peace, mental joy will go away permanently. So friends, you have to learn to attach the work, and as and when required, you should detach yourself. And how will you learn it, friend? For this reason, you have to know the distinction between mind and soul. Your attachment is done. Your attachment is a work done by the mind. Always remember. You should not be a servant of mind. You use your mind as a tool. You just use it, and when the work is done, you come back to your soul, which is beyond your mind, which is beyond your attachment, which is detached from all things, which is the source of mental peace, joy and happiness. In my earlier video, I also told you that you should know how to detach your mind from the material world through meditation. And how will you do meditation, I told in my 45th video. Please see the video in my YouTube channel and it will be clear to you. And this is why meditation is very much necessary, because through meditation you can lift your weight of mental, your mental weight, your mental strength. You can just lift. You can just lift it away. You can just keep it away from your mind, and you will discover your immense pleasurable soul. So friend, you have to know, you have to learn how to detach from your attachment. Otherwise it will create a tremendous pain in your mind, and you will not be able to focus even on your goal in your work, with which you are so much attached, for which you are getting success. So detachment is necessary for attachment. Detachment is necessary for success. Detachment is necessary for your mental peace. In Bhagavad Gita also, the Lord Krishna, the great Lord Krishna also said, the karmanna badhikarastu ma phalesu kadachana. Do your work, but never expect the result. Do your best. This is called detachment from work. And if you do your work with detachment, then nobody in this world will be in a position to resist you. Nobody in this world will be in a position to make a wall before your success. You will destroy all the work. You will destroy all the barrier, because you are using your mind as a tool. And it is under your control that when you will use your mind as your tool or when not. You will not be a servant of your mind, but you will be attached with your soul, which exists in everybody, friend. Love, affection and immense fearlessness will come within you, and which will propel your energy towards your goal. So friend, this is very much urgent to know how to detach yourself. You should make a bridge from your mind to your soul, and whenever it is necessary to do active work, to do active meditation means active work, active focus work, and passive meditation means to come back to the soul and just be a witness, just see what your mind is doing. This is the difference. And so you have to make a bridge between your soul and mind, and whenever necessary you use your mind and come back to your soul through the bridge. So friend, I think that I have made some sense about this. You have to practice it every day, and you will see that you are able to do the work more efficiently. You will be able to do the work more properly. You will be able to do the work more accurately, and you will be able to achieve success rapidly, because you are not attached with your work, you are detached with it, and you are doing the work with immense pleasure and potentiality. Friends, I will not make this video long. I think that you will apply this in your life. Please keep on seeing my YouTube channel, that is Nirmal Dose Dream World. A lot of motivational, not only motivational videos are posted in everywhere, but true motivational video, which is permanent, which will change your life permanently. That types of videos and that types of true words I am presenting here. So friends, please subscribe my YouTube channel, that is Nirmal Dose Dream World, and stay healthy, stay well, stay positive. Bye bye friends, bye bye.